In this video, you are going to learn how to link text, alright, in frames in CorelDRAW. So you will be able to learn how to link text frames in CorelDRAW as you are working on your job, whatever you are working on, and then you type stuff in your text frame or like this on this particular one, and then you have overflow, so you want that text to flow to another frame. All right, so we are going to look at that today. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is where we learn so many things regarding CorelDRAW, graphic design, and all of that. Okay, and we touch quite a lot of software, such as we can deal with Microsoft today. Tomorrow we can deal with Excel. Next day we can deal with PowerPoint, Excel, like I mentioned earlier, Photoshop, and of course, CorelDRAW is actually where I usually work on or work with. So let's quickly dive into it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. All right, so this is my CorelDRAW, and this is a text. It's just like a random text, like I said. So I'm going to show you something. So first of all, I'm going to delete this particular one and also delete this. So in fact, let's delete everything so that we can start from the scratch. So what you want to do first, when you want to type your text, create a text, so you come to your text tool. Okay, this is your text tool. So you now draw, okay, a frame, text frame like this, and then impute, copy, or start typing, or you copy your text and place it right here. So this is my text, the random text I placed in here. So when you look at this, let me zoom in properly. When you look at this frame, all right, you can see that it's the frame is black at the end of the day, right? It means that the text fit properly. All right, if the text fit properly into the frame, it's the right frame. So what in the situation whereby the text is more than and it's let's say it's bigger than the frame is small, so you can see as I shift it up, so you can see that the frame automatically turned to red. Okay, the outline, I don't know how to mention it, all those dash dash dash, okay, around the text, that's the frame, that's what I'm talking about. So it's actually red now. Before it was black, right? But now it's red. The reason why it's red is because there is text under this arrow, the arrow that is showing down. So there is text there. So in a situation whereby, let me bring this down, let's say this is the end, let's say this is the end of the brochure, or if you are working on brochure, textbook, whatever you. So this place is where they will cut off from the brochure so that they trim the part and make it look neat. So they will trim this part up, and this is where your text end here. So and yet you still have text underneath that you were supposed to bring down like this, which you cannot go beyond this line, because they are going to trim the printer at the end of the day. After printing, they are going to trim this place off, so definitely they will trim this text off. So what you would do is to shift it up, right? You shift it up, right, so that it will not come down or go beyond this line. So in order for you to now take this text to another frame, because you have to display the text that is under this place, so you have to create another frame. So you come down to your text tool and then draw another. I believe you usually see stuff like this. So you see another text frame like this here, beside the one you were working on, so something like this. So you have to create another one like this. So now we are going to link this one to the new frame here. So we are going, whatever that is under this place, we are going to bring it here. So what you need to do is either you select the two frame and come to text. All right, once you go to text, you click on paragraph text frame. All right, then you come down, you will see link, so you click on link. Once you click on link, the text will automatically come here. All right, the remaining one that is under this one, first one, will come here. And once you encounter this, and you can see that this one cut off a lot of it and then send it to this other side. What you need to do is to come to this side, all right, deselect all of them and then come to this last one and drag it up. So as you are dragging, you can see that the text is going down to this side until you have it, you know, fit to this page. Then whatever that was remaining will come here. All right, so that is how to link the text frame. All right, that's how to link the text frame. So now, so another way to do this, instead of going through all this stress and all of that, okay, there is another way we can do that. Okay, so let me show you. So as you can see, this is where we have text is under this place. So if you don't want to go through the stress of all this going to text and go to paragraph frame, just click on this text box. Just ensure that you create a text box here. All right, and once you do that, what you need to do next is to click on this place and then point to this arrow. Just move your pick tools to this arrow, and once you get here, you click on it, and then you will see that the arrow has changed. You can see that that arrow has changed, and it's asking you, where do you want me to flow to? Where do you want the text to flow to? And I will come to this new text frame that I created. So I'll just click on it, so the remaining text that was in here will come up here, as you can see. So that's exactly how you link text, all right, in CorelDRAW in different frames. So even if you have millions of frames to link, all you need to do, you keep linking it, because you can't go beyond this line, because they are going to, printer at the end of the day is going to cut off this side to trim the, either it was textbook or let's say burial program, all of that thing, stuff like that, they are going to trim this place, so you can't go beyond the line. So all you need to do is to keep linking, create a different text box, link again, create another one, link again. So if you want it to be separate, all you need to do, what I mean is separate, is to, as you can see, I move this, you can see the line is pointing to this. So you can just select the two and go to text and come to this and then click on link. Once you click on link, you can see that the blue stuff is no longer there, so you can carry this text to anywhere you want. You can carry this one and carry this one and go to anywhere you want. So that's how you unlink, and that's how you link as well. So I think we have come to the end of this video, and if you learn anything from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not, and like and share this video so that other people can benefit from it. I will appreciate if you subscribe. It will not take anything from you. Just click on that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.